And so I did this really quickly, just because I wanted to do more so towards tissue engineering, but in tissue engineering itself, there are a lot of potential, I think, or a lot of aspects that should be considered on the ethics sides of things. So for instance, when we're looking at, this is talking about bioprinting system, I just found this earlier today, I really liked this graphic, but when we are giving you a scaffold that has cells in them, right? Knowing where those cells come from, are they from a donor? Are they your own cells? Thinking about the source of those cells, and that's a very, very important aspect of this. Another is ownership of printed tissue. So if we are taking someone's cells that were donated and then printing a 3D printed tissue, thinking about that tissue's ownership and compensation as well, I think is really important. Thinking about a lot of cultural and religious aspects is really important. Something you have to think about a lot as we're developing these technologies as well. And so I just think those are all important things to think about. And so considering all of that, I think there's a lot of really, really great steps listed kind of here, which again, this is smaller, I'm sorry, but thinking about safety and using sustainable materials and achieving this kind of technological equity is really important. So these are all things that I know a lot of my colleagues are considering as they are developing new technologies, using materials that are accessible, using materials that can be recycled or that break down, into products that potentially don't create waste. All of those I think are really important aspects as well in this field and something that needs to be continued to look at.